Game.
Sir, if wala nga po ako umattend from TOVP, ano pong mangyayari? Ano na pong gagawin ng majority?
Well, we still have one day, which is by tomorrow. So, ang House of Representatives naman is very lenient, no? We're giving so much leniency to the office of the Vice President and give chance, no? Para po sila ay dumalo dito po sa pagtalakay sa plenaryo ng kanila pong budget. So we have until Wednesday, which is tomorrow. They're given sufficient time within which to appear before the plenary, and the sponsor, the good congressman from Lanao del Sur, the Honorable Zia Alonto Adjong, is still waiting, no, for the office of the Vice President. So mahirap naman po kasi sa party niya, no, bilang budget sponsor, may mga katanungan po talaga na dapat yung sagot